And that concludes our nightly broadcast. What's that? What's that? We have some late breaking news. So let me pass it over to our field reporter, Tom. Thanks, Tom. You're welcome, Tom. We just learned that our friend Tom made it to the semifinals of the Great American SpeakOff, hosted by Grant Cardone, Pete Vargas, and Pat Quinn.
Over the course of human history, those individuals that have had the biggest impact have been amazing speakers with epic stories that have literally changed the world. And now we are in search of the next great American speaker. Welcome to the Great American SpeakOff.
The winners of this competition get to speak in front of 40,000 people at the massive 10X Growth Conference in April. Speaking in front of 40,000 people, I once failed a 5th grade math speech on the growth of dandelions. To better understand what this means, let me head over to our in-house data analysis, Tom. Tom, over to you. Thanks. You're welcome. Well, folks, let me break this down for you because the numbers are staggering. 29,357 people have registered for the competition. 5,265 people got to actually audition for the competition, and from there, only 150 were chosen by the judges to move on to the semifinals, including our very own Tom. The semifinals are taking place on February 22nd and 23rd in sunny Fort Lauderdale, unlike here in the freezing Northeast. It is reported that Tom is going to be putting his speaking skills to the test by going through a series of speaking challenges, including telling his whole life in less than 2 minutes. I can't even brush my teeth in 2 minutes.
Are you for real?
If people would like to come watch the semifinals live and get a picture or chat with Tom about his love of peanut butter, then head over to this URL and grab your ticket today because it will sell out. From all of us here in the studio, congratulations, Tom. We wish you the best of luck. Thanks, thanks, thanks.